Hello everyone, in this video we will be studying question number 12. So now here in this video we will be seeing question number 12, and in this question number 12 there are again two sub questions. So we will see first sub question. Given the points A 1 minus 8, B minus 4 7 and C minus 7 minus 4, show that they lie on a circle K. So they lie on a circle whose center is the origin O. What is the radius of the circle K? So what is the radius they are asking? So now I have made a drawing here, okay, wherein A point is taken here, B point is taken here, C point is taken here. This is the origin, and this circle they have named as circle K. Now we have to find the radius of the circle. So how we can find the radius of the circle? So what we will do, we will take x1 y1 as this origin point, and we will take x2 y2 as this point one time, then second time this, and third time this, and with distance formula we'll check if the all the 3 points they are showing the same distance from the center. If they are showing the same distance from the center, then it means that yes, we can calculate that will be the radius of the circle. So that is what we will be doing, and we will be using distance formula. So what is distance formula? We will write first. So distance formula, we will write the formula once. It is under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So this is the formula. Now, if we see here in this formula, what is going to happen is that we will be we will take this as x1 y1, and we will take this as x2 y2. So x1 y1 is anyways it is 0. So x1 and y1, this will be becoming 0, and this will be also becoming 0. So just we can take x2 square plus y2 square, and we will get the distance of distance of this line OA. So it will become very easy for us for calculation. So we will take OA as under root. Okay, we will take x2's square plus y2's square, because this is anyway 0, minus 0 and minus y is also 0. So leave these two things. Now x2 is what? X2 is 1. So 1's square plus y2 is how much? Y2 is minus 8. So minus 8's square. So 1 square is 1, and 8 minus 8 square is 64. So what we will get is root 65. Right, root 65 units. They have not given any unit here, so units we will write. Now similarly what we will do, we will find for OB now. Okay, so we will find for line OB, and now what we will do, we will take OB as x2 y2. Okay, and anyways x1 y1 is 0, so similarly in this way only we will calculate. Okay, so x2 is minus 4 square plus y2 is 7, so 7 square. So this will become 16 plus 7 7 are 49, and this you have get again 65 units. Now similarly, now we will calculate for OC. So under root this, let this be x1 y1, and we will take this as x2 y2. So minus 7 square plus minus 4 square. Okay, so this will become 7 7 the 49 plus 4 4 the 60. So root 65, right? So now if we see here, we can write in this. Therefore OA is equal to OB is equal to OC, and everything is equal to under root 65 units. So we can say that points A, B, C lie on a circle K, and radius of the circle is equal to root 65 units. So this is our answer. Now if you see here, see OA distance, OB distance and OC distance. Everything is equal to root 65 units. Now if we are getting the same distance, it means that all these 3 points they lie on a circle, right? And if they are lying on the circle, on the circumference of the circle, then they will be equal because all the points on the circumference from the center are equal. Then therefore it will become the radius of the circle. So radius of the circle is then under root 65 units. So this is our answer what they had asked. Okay, now we will see this was the first sub question. Now we will see the second sub question on the next page. Now, so here we will see 12th main second sub question. Given the points D, okay, and E, check whether D and E lie within the circle. Okay, so we have to check whether these points lie within the circle, inside the circle, or on the circle means on the circumference, or outside the circle K. Okay, so we have to check whether D, where this point is lying with respect to the circle, and this E point also. So now we'll start with our answer. We will say already in the first sub question we have calculated the radius. So radius of the circle is equal to under root 65 units. Okay, and we will use the distance formula again. Distance formula. Okay, and here what is happening is we have to check the distance of this D point and E point from the origin, right, to find out whether where they are lying within the circle or outside the circle or on the circle. So and the origin is 0, right? Origin is 0 0, so we can use this formula only what we used in the previous question. So x square plus y square, right? Now what we will do is we will find the distance of OD from origin to this D point. Now equal to, so we will take this as a D point, this as a x2 y2, and this will become minus 5 square plus 6 square. Okay, so this will become 5 5 is a 25 and minus minus plus 6 6 are 36. So now add this 25 and 36. If we add, we will get root 61 units. Root 61 units. Now this root 61 units is less than what we got as root 65 units. So obviously this point lies inside the circle. So that is what we will write. Therefore, because root under root 61 units is less than root 65 units, which is the uh, radius. Okay, therefore d point lies within the circle. So this is our answer. Okay, now similarly what we will do, we will find for point OE. Here what we will do, we will take this as x2, y2, and x1, y1 is origin, which is 0, 0. So this is 0 square plus 9 square. So 0 square is 0, 9 9s are 81, is equal to under root 81 units. Under root 81 units. Similarly, we will write the answer here also. Therefore, because under root 81 units is greater than root 65 units, which is the radius, so therefore e point e point lies outside the circle. Okay, so this is our answer. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, guys.